In this video, I'll show you how to sell KuCoin on Bitget. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you're going to do is open up and log into your Bitget account. If you don't already have a Bitget account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you 6,200 USDT in welcome and trading bonuses. After you've logged into your account, we're going to go right down here and tap on the trade icon on the bottom. And from here, we're going to select our spot account. And right here where it says BTC USDT, we're going to tap on this arrow right next to it. And from here, we're going to type in Pi. And we're going to select the first option, which is Pi/USDT. And since we want to sell, make sure you tap on sell. And we're going to create a market order. A market order is just faster and it basically sells Pi at the current market price. From here, we're going to enter the amount of Pi that we want to sell into USDT, or you can simply toggle this to 50% or 100% depending on how much Pi you want to sell. Next, you're going to tap sell Pi, confirm the transaction. And then if you go into your assets tab, and if you just tap on assets and go to your wallet, you'll see your KuCoin is now in USDT. And that's how to sell KuCoin on Bitget. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.